بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ورتل القرآن ترتيلا
Darul Uloom Online Lahore, in consultation with Bamushawarat Hazrat Maulana Mufti Muhammad Asad Sahib Damat Barakatuhum, we offer Hifz, Nazra, revision of Holy Quran, Tajweed, translation and commentary of Holy Quran, courses of Nahv and Sarf, reasonable charges, online classes for kids, men and women, 24/7, 3 days free trial classes, 1-to-1 online classes. For details, Muhammad Qasim, M. Islamiyat from Jamia Ashrafia Lahore. WhatsApp number +92 304 049 7912. Skype ID Hafiz Qasim.